Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by getting a clean satellite fix. Make sure the watch battery is above half in your outdoors with an unobstructed sky. Next, enable GPS under Sensors and choose GPS or multi-GNSS so the receiver uses additional constellations for speed and accuracy. Once done, open navigation or start an outdoor activity to trigger satellite acquisition. This is the first actionable step because the watch locks satellites only when the navigation module is active. So don't start routes until you see the GPS icon solid. Now you'll configure how the watch logs and follows your route. Go to Activity Settings and pick a track recording interval. 1 second for the highest fidelity, 10 seconds to save battery. Smart auto adjusts. Next, create or import routes in Garmin Connect and sync them to your Instinct 3 so the device has turn-by-turn or breadcrumb data. Make sure track back or breadcrumb navigation is enabled. This lets you retrace steps if you get lost. These steps balance battery life, accuracy, and navigational control. To finish, stop the activity and save it so your GPS track is preserved. You can export GPX from Garmin Connect later. Make a habit of checking the GPS status screen to confirm satellite count and signal strength. This explains why a fix was slow or inaccurate. If you have persistent issues, toggle GPS modes, reboot the watch, or clear satellite ephemeris data to force a fresh almanac download. Doing so typically resolves stale fix problems and gets you back to reliable navigation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.